The power of positive thinking. Chapter 14. Relax for easy power. Why are so many people exhausted? Not from work, but from worry. Vincent Peale reveals a surprising truth. Real power comes from peace, not pressure. He opens with a shocking statistic. Americans were taking about 12 million doses of sleeping tablets every day. Even more alarming, the use of sleeping tablets had increased by 1,000% in recent years. Millions wanted rest, but couldn't find it. The Bible says, "Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest." Matthew 11:28. God's peace restores strength. Chapter review. Peale teaches that tension steals energy, worry drains the mind, fear weakens the body. Many people believe stress means success. It doesn't. Constant pressure leads to exhaustion. A peaceful mind thinks clearly. A relaxed person makes better decisions. Your body needs rest. Your mind needs peace. Don't carry every problem alone. Pray about it. Trust God with it. Release what you cannot control. Peale explains that many of our problems become heavier because we refuse to let them go. The more we worry, the more tired we become. But when we surrender our burdens to God, our minds become lighter. Our hearts become calmer. Every moment of peace restores your energy. Your mind was never designed for constant pressure. Let go of what you cannot change. Focus on what God has already provided. Quiet confidence produces lasting strength. Peace gives you the power to keep moving, and our strength begins to return. Relaxation is not laziness. It is wisdom. It is confidence. Faith replaces fear. Peace replaces panic. Strength returns. A calm spirit helps you face challenges with confidence. Peace is a source of hidden strength. Calm people see opportunities others miss. A rested mind solves problems faster. Every prayer lifts another burden. God's peace gives courage for tomorrow. Inner calm creates lasting success. It keeps you from making decisions out of fear. Instead, you respond with faith. Every burden surrendered makes you stronger. Peace unlocks the best version of you. Your greatest victories begin with inner calm. A quiet heart hears God's direction more clearly. Stop chasing peace. Start living in it. The strongest people are not always the busiest. They are the ones who have learned to trust God completely. When your heart is calm, you work better. Do you think better? You live better. God's strength flows into a peaceful heart. The world rewards hustle. God also values stillness. When God fills your heart with peace, nothing can steal your confidence. Life nuggets. 1. Worry steals your strength. 2. Peace renews your mind. 3. Rest is productive. 4. A calm heart is powerful. Powerful takeaway. You don't become stronger by carrying more. You become stronger by trusting more. Choose peace. Choose faith. And let God renew your strength. Thanks for watching.